Golden Bus? Yung...
Nakalagay, Interlaken Golden Bus.
Ay, ganun. Interlaken Golden Bus. Tapos ito, anong may panoramic? Paranormal.
Yeah. Okay.
So, ang travel time is 2 to 3 hours from Milan to Zurich. Hindi kami nakakain ng breakfast sa hotel. So, binauna na lang nila kami na... Eto. Ayan, merong bread. May biscuits. Meron ding juice. May juice. Meron ding tapos merong yogurt. Ayan. Ano pa? Tapos meron ding banana. Ayan, nasa Switzerland na tayo. Boundary siya ng Italy. Maulan dito pero sana mamaya medyo umaraw. Ayan ang babe kong busy. Kakalculate siya ng gastos. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tahan nyo. Yan. So from Italy to Switzerland, ang first stop natin is sa Zurich. So yung ticket namin dito is from Milan to Zurich lang. 152 euro for 2. Then nag-purchase na lang kami ng Swiss pass pagdating namin ng Zurich. Dito na kami sa Zurich. So from Zurich, pupunta kami ng Lucerne. Tapos, ang temperature ngayon is 15 degrees Celsius. Akala namin mainit. Buti na lang nagdala kami ng jacket. Tapos after Lucerne, pupunta naman kami to Interlaken. Tapos, pero magstay kami sa Lauterbrunnen. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung train station nila. Sobrang laki, nakakaligaw. Kaya kailangan meron kang SBB app. Tapos, bumili na rin kami ng Swiss pass. Ang kinuha namin is yung valid for 3 days. So, ang price niya is...
Ito ba yung ano natin, Scenic Road?
Is 488 euros. So, ang per head niya is 244 euro. Ayan, dito na kami sa train papuntang Lucerne. Sina-charge namin yung TGS. Then from Zurich to Lucerne is 1 hour travel.
Just kita yung ano niya, paa niya. Pangit ng
Sabi mo? Ano sabi mo? Then from Lucerne to Interlaken is another 1 hour travel. Arigato gozaimasu. Hindi ako. So, nandito na tayo sa Interlaken OST. Punta na tayo sa Lauterbrunnen. 30 minutes lang yung travel time.
And I like that it won't go away. But never mind, don't wanna give you any trouble. Never mind, never mind. I'm okay with being by your side for as long as I can hide. What if I told you that I'm falling?
Okay. Alpine base room. Here we go. Sige, open it. Yeah, open. I want to sleep. Open. Wow. And you can play something there. Table tennis, chess, and something. Oh, say hi.
Hi.
There's a waterfall, so we're going to. What's the name of the restaurant, babe?
Naku, di ko alam.
You can read it there.
Okay. Ano to, Wade?
Doing weed. Left or right?
Bakit parang babalik?
No.
So, dito kami ngayon sa... Anong restaurant to, babe? Anong pronunciation niya?
It's pronounced
Vegetable.
vegetable.
Yeah.
Vegetable.
So, ang in-order namin is yung cheese fondue, 26 Swiss francs, and yung barbecue glazed spare ribs.
May pizza pa pala sila dito.
May pizza rin pala sila, parang napapaisip na siya. And, ayan, syempre, Coca-Cola. Di
Dapat pala
mawawala.
na pizza tayo. Instead of... Ano ka?
Bread, yung order namin Coke. Share na kami kasi puro soft drinks na kami.
Wala.
Puro soft drinks.
Ano ba?
Ah, di ba nakaisip siya ng paraan, nilagay niya dun yung ano.
Nakakalimutan natin.
Hindi naman. Ang kaya mo. Thank you so much.
Do you have service water or table water? Table
Yes,
water,
table
yeah.
water please. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, ito yung order namin ribs. Malaki nga siya. Tapos, cheese fondue. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Video to eh. Akin na yan.
Kala ko.
Cheese lang. Konting cheese lang.
So, hi guys.
Tapos na kami kumain.
And as you can see, it's raining. It's really hard to move around.
Sorry, Englishera siya, no?
Yeah.
So, yung bill namin, magkano sa francs?
63.
63.
Plus VAT, 3%.
Oh, plus VAT.
66. Like,
66 Swiss franc. Sabi nila, ng mga galing na dito, pag kakain ka daw talaga sa labas, yan katulad sa mga restaurant, kahit yung mga mumurahing ano lang, restaurant, per dish. Ang estimate parang mga 15 Swiss francs pataas yung price niya. Pero kasi yung kinain namin ngayon, parang fine dining siya dito. Kaya may kamahalan yung bill. Tinry lang namin kasi nag-recommend si ChatGPT nung ano nila, nung cheese fondue.
Buisit ka ChatGPT.
O hindi, masarap naman. Matapang lang talaga yung white wine.
Because it has white wine, kaya medyo sigsag na kami lumakad. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you the beautiful scenery of Finland.
Finland.
I mean, Switzerland. Yeah, there.
Der. Der, mother.
So in here we have campers. Like
Taga Switzerland siya, no?
nagka-camp po sila.
Ang lakas ng agos kasi umuulan ngayon. Pero kita nyo, ang linis pa rin ng tubig.
So, hi, we're back. Where are we going?
Supermarket.
Okay, we're heading to the Co-op supermarket because we need some things.
Toothpaste nga pala.
There's the famous falls. Like that.
Oo
So-
nga. Doon tayo tumawid kanina, layo pala.
So we're walking to the to the center where the train station and all the restaurants are. Follow the river. Right there. Follow the river. Here's the tennis court vibe. It's really nice here, guys. I wish you were here with my wife. And there's the falls again.
Dami pa ako
There's like a
Just like a rose.
like buildings at the top.
For long.
Sorry, you can't see it, guys, but you can see it.
na yung concept ng ano,
Oh, look at that falls. Wait, I'm gonna zoom it. See it, guys? There. Okay. We'll go there later. So we're heading to the main town. Next time we'll go there at the top. Wow. So my wife is taking a picture of the falls. Amazing. So what can you say?
It's so wonderful!
Jump if you're happy.
May pulpos na nga ako.
And here is a tennis court if you want to play tennis.
Ano, basketball ka sa tennis court.
Is that a goat or no? I think it's not a goat.
It's chicken.
Nice. It's really nice here. Mesmerizing, amazing surroundings.
Tantalizing.
I cannot say any more word to describe how beautiful
Switzerland.
Switzerland is. It's truly a wonder. Wonderful, yeah. So, guys, this is our vlog, okay? I know you miss us because we've been in a hiatus. Don't worry, we'll be starting our vlog again.
No? Wala naman nanonood. Silingero ka.
So, now guys, we're heading to the, what's this? Stoneback Fall. I think that's the Stoneback Fall. There, guys. Stoneback Fall.
Ano?
The river. And in the other side is also the river, guys. So she likes taking pictures all the time. We're gonna go up there later
Ba't later?
because we need to go to Co-op.
Ba't later? Mamaya agad?
Kayang, pasyalan na natin yung ditong side. Tapos yung kabila bukas. Yeah, really amazing.
Switzerland.
There's an extra your mom in that. Oo nga no, mura nga siya dito. Itong malaking Mercy. 11.60 ano lang siya, Swiss francs. Mura nga yung chocolate dito.
Sa ano natin bilhin yan? Sa Zurich parang.
Chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, 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 chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, 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 chicken banana.
Nag-video. Ayan. Prepare for day 2 ng stay namin dito. DIY lang ako na curl kasi nawala yung adapter ko. Isaksakan kasi dito yung bilog. I just woke up. Literal na kakagising lang, wala pang 5 minutes. Nag-video agad ako. Ito yung itsura ng Switzerland. May araw na! Ayun o! Sa tuktok! Dito sa side namin wala pa kasi natatakpan pa eh. Ayan, puro clouds to. Yan, clouds yan. Tapos pag mga hapon nawawala siya. Ang taas na tong Lauterbrunnen pala. Pinakamahal na gastusin dito kasi dahil ang taas niya baka yung pagdadala dito ng pagkain pas pahirapan. So mag-aayos lang kami. So ito ang 7 AM dito sa Lauterbrunnen. Tignan niyo naman. Ang ganda. Ito yung nasa sa tapat lang ng tinutuluyan namin. Ngayon, magka-paragliding kami. Hindi muna kami magbe-breakfast kasi baka bumigat siya. Baka biglang hindi siya makasakay. Ayan, magka-practice kami ng pagtakbo sa paragliding.
Ako naman.
Ganon, kasi tatakbo kami mamaya eh. Bago lumipad. So, kailangan niya nagpa-practice na siya. Pag pinatay mo ata ang data, or pag hindi active mo na ginagamit.
Alam mo nga, babe, pacheck mo ako ulit. Here now at the
Special bird.
look at that. Oh wow. Amazing. There's the mock. And we're gonna go to, yeah,
Ayan, so dito kami nang galing. Banda dito sa May Lauter. Medyo malapit kami sa center kasi. Then nandito kami ngayon sa
the
Special Bird.
We're going to Muren. Here. Peace Gloria Muren. There?
Ayan, so papakita natin yung Swiss Pass.
Other one. Thank you.
Dito tayo sa gilid. Isang port. Dito tayo.
Dito.
What if I told you that I've fallen? And I like the way you say my name. My heart skips a beat when I hear you calling. And I like that it won't go away. But never mind, don't wanna give you any.
Grabe, ang ganda.
That's a view that she's taking.
OA. Nandito kami ngayon sa taas. Ang layo na natin. Yan.
What's there? Let's take a look what's in there.
Ang ganda. Yan, nakikisali siya.
Wow. Paragliding. Wow, nagpa-paragliding na sila, babe. Ayun na.
Babe, inom ka dali. Dito. Naghugas ng kamay.
What's up? You like it?
Lasang pabango kamay ko. So, ang ganda, oh. Hindi ko alam ano yan. Pero ang ganda. Bahay ba yan? Hindi ko alam kung bahay ba siya o hotel.
9:30 pa lang.
Ay, may ski rental din pala dun, oh.
Okay?
Sobrang tahimik dito sa taas. Tapos, hindi siya kasing crowded ng doon sa pinaka-center. Pero may mga hotel din pala dito. Tingnan niyo yung view. Ang angas. Ayan si Viv. Inuubo Tapos yung memory.
Oh, nasa ito, Regina Hotel sa
Hotel Regina, Saskatchewan, Canada.
Saskatchewan, Canada.
Ay, ang ganda. May pipicturean ako dito. Babe!
There.
Sobrang ganda. Parang panaginip.
Ah. Do you have free internet or Wi-Fi here?
Ito yung breakfast namin. Nag-breakfast muna kami before paragliding. So, meron ako ditong egg tart and hot chocolate. Siya naman espresso. So, ito, meron kami cheese from the Swiss Alps. Yan.
Babe, can you one more?
Yan, picturean ko daw siya.
Ayan guys, pagod na po siya. Yeah, you can do it, babe. Inhale, exhale. There guys, this is the, wow, yeah. The path going to the paragliding spot.
Wait, I'll just get my line. So,
So we booked at Airtime Paragliding. We spent 478 Swiss francs or 512 euro kasama na yung camera.
If I told you that I'm falling.
Ayan. So, pabalik na kami ng ano.
So the falls.
Ayan, may maliit na falls.
And the other side,
Sa kabilang side,
river.
yung river na OA ang flow.
The pilot is living in Muran.
Sa
Exactly
Muren,
at Muren.
dito sa
She's been piloting or gliding for 14
14 years. Ayun.
And I've been gliding for
For one time lang. Ngayon lang.
1 hour.
Ayun. Tapos yun nga, sabi ko kasi sa kanya, nung una, ang plano namin, mag-paraglide sa Interlaken. Tapos, ayun, eto, dahil gusto niya mag-Lauterbrunnen, hindi naman nakakapangsisi kasi nga, sabi rin nung pilot ko, pinakamagandang mag-paraglide daw dito sa Lauterbrunnen.
Yeah, actually our plan is to paraglide at Interlaken. But
Ulit-ulit.
I read
In English pa.
it's much better here because lesser tourists
Oo, less ang
and
tourist,
longer flight.
longer flight,
And Airway. Airway is the name of the company.
airtime.
Airtime pala.
Alam, mali-mali yan. Alam mo ba, isang beses, sabi niya, ano daw, magpa-paranormal. Sabi niya, ano daw siya, picture. Gusto niya daw naka-paranormal. Di ba, panorama? Sa kanya, paranormal. Okay na din. Naintindihan ko naman. Mahalaga, nagkakaintindihan kami. Ayan, puntahan natin yung river.
And I like the way you say my name. My heart skips a beat when I hear you calling. And I like that it won't go away. But never mind, don't wanna give you any trouble. Never mind, never mind. I'm okay with being by your side for as long as I can hide. What if I told you that I'm falling? What if I told you that I'm falling? A heart-shaped arrow through my chest. I'll make you breakfast every morning and pick you up when you're a mess. I hope that it won't ever stop. You know I'll be there when you call me with you.
Nandito kami sa likod ng waterfall. Sa likod na kami ng waterfalls, yung nakikita na sikat dito sa Lauterbrunnen.
Our hotel is there. What is hostel?
Ingay.